Wings of hum through the open air. Shadows dance where the sun lays bare. Creek whispers secrets no one knows underneath. The silent world flows. Fields stretch out a tapestry wide. Hills roll gently, the earth's quiet tide. Up high the sky hums a hollow tune, carried soft